Now students, today we are going to start the next exercise of definite integrals, that is exercise number 9.9 of indefinite integrals. Now in this exercise we are going to discuss three standard forms, which are integral of under root a square minus x square. This is equal to x upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a plus c. Then integral of the form under root a square plus x square dx. This is equal to x upon 2 under root a square plus x square plus a square upon 2 log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. And third is integral of under root x square minus a square dx. This is equal to x upon 2 under root x square minus a square plus a square upon 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Now students, let us do some questions based on these three new standard forms. So here students, also first of all we have to make the coefficient of. Now students, let us start with the exercise 9.9, very first question. Now let us see how to do. Question is integral of 9 minus x square dx. Now students, here we can write 9 as 3 square and then x square. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें आपने ध्यान रखना है कि जो कोफिशेंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर है दैट शुड बी 1. इफ द कोफिशेंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज नॉट 1, देन वी हैव टू मेक इट 1 बाय टेकिंग कॉमन दैट नंबर. So this is the type a square minus x square under root. So we have to apply the very first formula. So this is equal to x upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon 3 plus c. So students, this is the formula and the answer is x upon 2 under root 9 minus x square plus 9 upon 2 sin inverse x upon 3 plus c. Now similarly, let us do the second part. Question is 16 minus 25 x square dx, like this. Now students, here the coefficient of x square is not 1, so taking 25 common outside the root, so we get 5, and here we get 16 upon 25 minus of x square under root dx, like this. Now we can write 16 upon 25 as 4 upon 5 square minus of x square dx. So here also we apply the first formula. So formula is x upon 2 under root 16 by 25 minus x square plus a square upon 2 means 16 upon 25 into 1 by 2 sin inverse x upon a plus c. So we get 5x upon 2 under root taking LCM 16 minus 25 x square, and when 25 comes out of the root it becomes 5, and here we get 8 by 25 sin inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. So the final answer will be cancelling 5 with 5. So students, the final answer will be of this form, that x upon 2 under root 16 minus 25 x square plus here we can see that 5 is outside the bracket, so when we multiply by 5 we can write it like this, put a bracket. So when we multiply, so we can write into 5 over here, so we get 8 by 5 sin inverse 5x upon 4 plus c. So students, this is the required answer. So if the coefficient of x square is not 1, make it 1 by taking common. Now the third part students, now taking common 16, because here coefficient of x square is not 1, so we get x square plus 25 by 16 under the root and dx. So what we get now? We can write x square plus 5 upon 4 whole square dx. Now this is the second type, under root a square plus x square. So this is equal to x upon 2 under root x square plus a square, x square plus a square, plus a square upon 2 means 25 by 16 into 1 by 2, a square upon 2, log x plus under root x square plus a square means x square plus 25 by 16 and plus c. Now solving it. So on multiplying by 4 we get 4x upon 2 under root 16x square plus 25, and when this root comes out of the root we get 4 over here, and multiplying this 4 over here also. So 4 into 25 upon 32 log, here we get x plus 16x square plus 25 under the root upon 4 like this. So here we get x upon 2 under root 16x square plus 25 plus 25 by 8 log 4x plus under root 16x square plus 25 upon 4 plus c. So students, this is the required solution. So students, these questions are very simple. We have to apply the formulas directly. Now the next part, first question, fourth part, 16x square minus 49. So students, moving in the same way, writing, or we can say taking common 16. So we get 4 under root x square minus 49 by 16 dx, or we get x whole square minus of 7 by 4 whole square under the root dx. Now using the formula under root x square minus a square. So students, the formula is under root x square minus a square. This is the third type. So formula is x upon 2 under root x square minus a square minus a square upon 2. A square means square of 7 by 4. This is 49 by 16 into 1 by 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square like this plus c. Now solving it, so we get 4x upon 2 16x square minus 49 upon 4 minus, now multiplying by 4 here also, 49 by 16 into 4 upon 2 log, now taking LCM. So here we get x plus under root 16x square minus 49 upon 4 plus c. So what we get over here? So we get x upon 2 16x square minus 49, and over here we get minus of 49 by 8 log 4x plus 16x square minus 49 plus c. So students, this is the required solution of this question. So x upon 2 under root 16x square minus 49 minus 49 by 8 log upon 4. So I hope this is clear to you students. Now the next part is under root 5 minus x square upon 12 students. Now first of all we take LCM. LCM is 60 minus x square upon 12 under the root dx. So taking common 1 upon root 12 is outside, and root 60. Root 60 is not a perfect square, so we can write root 60 square minus of x square under root like this dx. Now here we shall use the formula of under root a square minus x square. First formula, and 1 upon root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. So the formula is x upon 2 a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 means root 60 square is 60 upon 2 sine inverse x upon root 60 plus c. So what we get, 1 upon 2 root 3 into x by 2 under root 60 minus x square plus 30 upon 2 root 3 sine inverse x upon root 60 plus c. Now we can use one more step over here. So we get x upon 4 root 3 under root 60 minus x square. Here we get 15 root 3. Now students, 15 upon root 3, I tell you. So here we get 15 upon root 3, and on rationalizing we get 15 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, which is equal to 15 root 3 upon 3. So this is 5 root 3. So we can write over here 5 root 3 sine inverse x upon root 60 plus c. So students, I hope this is clear to you. Now students, second question, first part. Under root of x under root x power 4 minus 1. Now students, let us do this question. Now students, here to do this question, first of all we can write it as x4 as x square minus 1 square. Now students, this is not the type. We have to put something to make it of the type either under root x square minus a square or a square minus x square under root. So we have to put first. Without putting, we are not able to solve this question. So first of all we put x square equal to t, 2x dx equal to dt, and x dx equal to dt upon 2. So students, our question become 1 upon 2 under root t square minus of 1 square dt. So now this is the formula of under root x square minus a square. So the formula is x under root x upon 2 means t upon 2 under root t square minus 1, then minus a square upon 2 log t plus under root t square minus 1 plus c, like this. So what we get, t upon 4 under root t square minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 by 2 log t plus under root t square minus 1 plus c. Now putting the value of t is x square upon 4, x power 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log x square plus x power 4 minus 1 plus c. So students, this is the solution. So after putting, it is very easy to do this question. Now the next part is second part. Under root of cos x 9 minus sin square x dx. So this is the second part, students. So here by seeing the question, we come to know. Now here students, here we can put साइन एक्स इक्वल टू टी। स्टूडेंट सम को देखते ही हमें मालूम पड़ जाता है कि हमने क्या पुट करना है। सो इफ़ वी पुट साइन एक्स इक्वल टू टी देन कोस एक्स डी एक्स इक्वल टू डी टी। तो क्वेश्चन को देखते ही आपके माइंड में आएगा कि हमने क्या पुट करना है। आपने साइन एक्स को ही टी पुट करना है, कोस एक्स को टी पुट नहीं करना है। कोस एक्स को टी पुट करके जो है हमारे पास कोई फॉर्म नहीं बन पाएगी। सो हमने क्या करना है, वी पुट साइन एक्स इक्वल टू टी। नाउ we use the formula of under root a square minus x square. So this is equal to x upon 2 under root a square minus x square minus माइनस में आता है a square upon 2 plus a square upon 2. A square means 9 upon 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c, and we have x equal to sin x. Here we have t. So what is the value of t? T is sin x upon 2 under root 9 minus sin square x plus 9 upon 2 sin inverse sin x upon 3 plus c. So students, this is the required answer. Now let us do the third part of the second question. So the question is 9 plus log x whole square under root upon x dx. This is the question. So students, here also question को देखकर ही हमें मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि इसमें हमने क्या पुट करना है. So putting log x equal to t, so we get 1 upon x dx equal to dt. So our question becomes 9 plus t square under root dt. Now here we shall use the formula a square plus x square. Now the formula is x upon 2 means t upon 2 under root a square plus x square plus a square upon 2 log t plus x square plus a square. So on putting the value of t here, so t is log x, so answer is log x upon 2 9 plus log x whole square plus 9 upon 2 log, now t is log x and plus under root 9 plus log x whole square. So this is the complete solution of this question. So here we get log x upon 2 under root 9 plus log x whole square plus 9 upon 2 log modulus sign log x plus under root 9 plus log x whole square. So students, this is the solution of second question, third part. Now students, I hope all these questions are clear to you. Now let us move to the third question. Now students, let us do the third question, first part. So here what we do, first of all we take common minus sign. हमने सबसे पहले माइनस साइन को कॉमन लेना है टू मेक कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज़ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में आप जब हमारे पास रूट होता है, सो प्लीज़ कीप इन माइंड कि जो माइनस साइन होता है वो रूट से बाहर नहीं आ सकता अगर रूट है. अगर रूट नहीं है देन वी कैन राइट माइनस साइन आउटसाइड, बट अगर हमारे पास रूट है तो ये माइनस साइन जो है हम रूट से बाहर नहीं लिख सकते, तो इसको हमने रूट में ही रखना है. नाउ व्हाट वी डू, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x. सो एज वी डन ऑलरेडी दैट how to make it perfect square, coefficient of x in this question, coefficient of x is 6 and its half is 3 and its square is 9. So this factor is to be added and is to be subtracted. So what we write, we write x minus 3 whole square minus of 3 square like this. So on multiplying we get 3 square minus of x minus 3 whole square under the root like this. Now we can use the formula very easily, and formula which is to be applied is a square minus x square. Now let us see. I use the formula. So we write like this, that x minus x upon 2 under root a square minus x square under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2, and then sine inverse x upon a plus c. Or we can write making it little simple, x minus 3 upon 2 under root. On solving this factor, what we get 6x minus x square plus 9 upon 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c. So students, this is the solution of this question. So very simple question, students. Second part, integral of 2ax minus x square. So moving in the same way, students, taking common minus sign inside the root, we can write x square minus 2ax. Now here coefficient of x is 2a, its half is a, and square is a square. So adding a square and subtracting a square. So we can write it like this, that x minus a whole square and minus a square. Now multiplying with minus sign, so we get a square minus of x minus a whole square dx like this. Now using the first formula, so again we can write like this, that x upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c like this. So on solving it further, x minus a upon 2, on solving this bracket, we get 2ax minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x minus a upon a plus c. So this is the solution. Now the next part, third part, integral of x square minus 4x plus 2 under root dx. Now let us do this question. Now here also we have to see about coefficient of x square. If it is 1, it's okay. If it is not 1, then we make it 1. So here coefficient of x square is 1, so no need to take common. So here coefficient of x is 4, its half is 2, and its square is 4. So what we do, we add and subtract 4. So the first three terms, x square minus 4x plus 4, can be written as x minus 2 whole square, and over here minus 2 square like this. So this is the type of x square minus a square. Now x square minus a square, so use the formula of x square minus a square, third type, third formula. So formula is x upon 2 under root x square minus a square minus of a square upon 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square. So what we get, x upon 2 under root x square minus 4x plus 2 minus, now if we match the answer, so x right, and here we get 2 log x minus 2 plus under root x square minus 4x plus 2. On solving it, this expression, we get x square minus 4x plus 2 plus c. Students, there is a little correction. Here we get minus 2, and minus 2 is the square of root 2. So write root 2 over here. So root 2 square. So this is 2 by 2, and this can be cancelled, right? Because minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, and 2 is not a perfect square. So we write root 2 square, right? So here also we have root 2 square, and here also we have root 2 square. So on solving this expression, we get x square minus 4x plus 2, and here also we get x square minus 4x plus 2, right? Now the next question is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 under root. Now students, in this question we can see coefficient of x square is not 1. So first of all we make it 1 by taking 2 common. So we write it like this: root 2 outside, x square plus 3x upon 2 plus 2 under the root, like this, dx. Now same process, coefficient of x is 3 upon 2, its half is 3 by 4, and its square is 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 and plus 2, like this, dx. So what we get, first three terms can be written as x plus 3 by 4 whole square, because 9 by 16 is the whole square of 3 by 4, and x square is the square of x. So we get x plus 3 by 4 whole square, and minus 9 by 16 plus 2, we get 23 by 16, and which can be written as root 23 upon 4 whole square, like this. So this is the type of x square plus a square. Now its formula is, this is second type. So we can write x upon 2 under root x square plus a square then plus a square upon 2 means 23 upon 16 into 1 by 2, and log x plus x square plus a square, log x plus under root, we can write like this, that x square plus a square. Now students, making it simple, इसको हमने थोड़ा सा solve करना है so that we get the answer. So taking LCM of this, we get 4x plus 3 upon 8, and on solving this bracket we get 2x square plus 3x plus 4, जो हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग में दिया होता है वही यहाँ पर आता है, plus 23. Now here we have root 2 also in the beginning. So multiplying that root 2 with here also. So 23 root 2 upon 32. And then log x plus 3 by 4. And here we get plus under root, we get x square plus 3x upon 2 plus 2. So this is the solution. Students, बच्चों के माइंड में ये आता है कि सर इसको सोल्व करके ये कैसे आ गया। आई टेल यू ओवर हेयर। सी, हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन है x+3/4 होल स्क्वायर प्लस √23/4 होल स्क्वायर अंडर द रूट, राइट। और हमारे पास बाहर है √2 हमारे पास बाहर है, और साथ में कितना है 4x+3 इंटू 8। तो व्हेन वी सोल्व इट, √2 and 4x+3/8, so what we get, students? So x square plus 9/16 plus we get 3x/2 plus 23/16, like this. So here we are getting √2, 4x+3/8. So here we are getting x square plus 3x/2. Now this is 32/60. 32/16 is 2. Now when we take LCM, what we get? We are getting like this, 2x square minus of 3x plus 4, और जब ये 2 रूट से बाहर आएगा तो ये √2 बन जाएगा and cancel these two. So we are getting 4x+3/8 and under root 2x square minus 3x+4. So students, इस तरीके से जो है हमने इसको सोल्व किया है. You can see and note down all these points. So students, I hope this is clear to you. Now students, the remaining questions will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.